In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to design and enhance your website. Whether you're looking to create a stunning site from scratch or add some new features to your existing one, this step-by-step guide will help you harness the power of Wix with ease. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to head over to manage.wix.com. This is where most of the magic happens in terms of initial setups and site management. What you'll need to do is log into your Wix account and you'll be directed to the main dashboard. The dashboard acts as your central hub, giving you a comprehensive view of your site's analytics, settings, and tasks that need attention. Once you're at the dashboard, locate and click on the Setup section. This section will guide you through the foundational steps for setting up your website to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand or personal taste. This foundational setup is crucial because it sets the tone for the rest of your site's design and functionality. Now that we've got the setup sorted, it's time to move on to design, which is where the real creativity flows. Find and click on Design Site. This action will direct you to editor.wix.com, where all the design magic unfolds. The Wix editor is incredibly user-friendly and offers a drag and drop functionality, making it perfect even if you're relatively new to web design. In the editor, you'll see a variety of options to personalize your site. What you want to do next is click on Add Elements. This button opens up a menu filled with a multitude of design elements, ranging from text boxes and images to videos and buttons. Each element allows you to enhance the visual appeal of your site. From the Add Elements section, navigate to Events, Bookings, and Ticket Sales. This option is particularly useful if you're planning on hosting an event or offering services that require scheduling and ticketing. By adding such elements, you can easily manage event calendars, bookings, and ticket sales directly from your website. Lastly, after you've made all your changes and customizations, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button at the top right corner of the editor. Saving regularly prevents any loss of progress and ensures that all your hard work is secure and ready to be published. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a beautifully designed and fully functional Wix site ready to impress visitors. Remember, the key to a successful website is regular updates and maintenance, so make sure to revisit your site frequently to keep it fresh and current. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.